It is wonderful to have you coming today to share your testimony about how you feel about these products. I think thank you for your support all these at least a year plus, I think.
About a year, almost a year.
Time flies. So how do you find the aloe especially, or you talk on anything that the family have benefited?
Okay, for aloe, I use it personally and I use it on an almost daily basis.
Wow.
Because it helps maintain my health lah. Basically, my gastric. Yeah, so it's been very well controlled with aloe.
That's
and then
good.
of course my father loves the shark cartilage because it gives him no pain now. So better than the medicine that the doctor prescribes. So at least he.
So the
doesn't
medicine
feel,
from doctor is not so effective.
Yeah, not so effective, but at least with shark cartilage he can walk with no pain.
Less pain
In
or
fact,
no
no
pain.
pain,
No pain
And when he doesn't
How old is
take
he now?
about 80.
80.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's no pain. So I think that's good for him. So it means he gets to travel. Yeah.
And
that's
move
something
around
that's
more
good.
often.
Yeah.
Can you tell us more about how you find the booster useful?
Booster, when I'm very tired, usually I take it and you give me the energy I need for that day. Yeah. It also built up the resistance. Yeah.
That's good. That's
Yeah.
good. You travel a lot, not I know that you've been
No, I
traveling.
know. I just sleep less.
You sleep less.
Yeah.
Okay. Any advice to people who use our product?
If you have a very busy schedule, you should take some of the supplements to help you in maintaining your lifestyle. I mean, to keep the doctors away. Yeah, I think that's
Keep the doctors away.
You spend less money. I mean, if you think a bit long term, right? This investment helps in the long term. You don't fall sick so easily. Even when I'm caught with little flu, it helps. I recover quite fast
Faster.
with aloe. Yeah,
see.
so like even the sore throat, sometimes the aloe really helps to recover much faster.
How about your children? The children taking?
Children, lesser, but encouraging them to, because if I'm not home, they don't take in the morning, they don't take in the night, so they only take during lunch. So that's the difference.
Well, I think you've been very helpful. Thank you for coming.
No,
Thank you for coming.
thank you for recommending me such a good product to use.